There are two wheels on your wheeled trimmer. The wheel is made up of a hard plastic wheel and a soft plastic tire. The most common problem with the wheel is cracking, usually caused by something hitting against it. Replacing the wheel is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the nut that secures the wheel. Now I can remove the old wheel and install the new. And I'll secure the wheel with the nut. And that's how easy it is to install a new wheel on your walk-behind trimmer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.